Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to install an extension from your laptop in a Google Chrome browser. Here you can see I don't have any extension, just we can go here, three dots, then click here extensions, then again manage. So now here we need to add the extension from the laptop. Let me go back and then open the folder where I have that file. So let me scroll down. This one is the file. Let me show you the file format. Properties. Here you can see this one is .zip. So we need to extract this file. Click extract button. Now we have this folder, and inside this folder here you can see these are the different files. So now we need to upload this folder. Now let me go back and then we need to enable this one, developer mode. Then click here, load unpacked. Now we need to go back and then open this folder. Now here we don't need to select the zip file, just we need to select this folder and then select the folder. Here you can see extension is installed. Now click here. So now you can also pin it at the top.